In conclusion, Microsoft currently makes a number of its AI tools available through Microsoft Create, and you can find it at create.microsoft.com. It's a template-based application and gives you access to templates for Clipchamp, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Forms, and Microsoft Designer. However, as is the case with other applications, currently the terms of use of these tools are personal and non-commercial. Now again, it is very possible that these tools will eventually be made available for business use. And additionally, much has to do with all of these tools being free of charge and in preview mode. While they may be rolled into current products that are part of paid suite, it's possible that they could be made part of a paid upgrade like Microsoft Clipchamp. But this is something that you will want to watch if you intend to use Microsoft AI tools in your business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.